I'll follow you. Okay. Me either. All right, let's go. So guys, I got my KX back, got the valves adjusted. Definitely a happy camper. We're gonna head to, there's a bunch of like open area back here, supposedly. We're gonna go try to find it now. So we're looking for this single track area and like a play area. This is we're at Jewell MX in Colorado. So first time here for both of us, and we're gonna explore. Yeah, that might be the single track stuff we wanted. Woo! This thing is way stronger than the X Pro. Got to get used to it and respect it. Oh my God! Damn! Look up, brother. Oh, this is fun. Leave. Yo, this place is awesome. I think I shifted in first on accident. This isn't my X Pro, so I really don't know what gear I'm in. Got a bump. Yo. Yes, sir. Woo. Oh, we got a tumble.
Are so stiff. I have no mobility in these things.
Yeah, mine took a while to loosen up. I'm not sure if you want to go back. You want to go put on your regular shoes? I want you to be comfortable, bro. We can go back. I'd rather be. We got to go to work too, dude. Be comfortable.
Fine.
Okay. Got a 4Runner coming down, but we should be all right. So yeah, dude, me and Bray, we have on the same fucking jersey, bro. Didn't plan this shit at all, like, the fuck? Fucking trying to, I think he bought his first, so I guess that makes me the copycat, but fuck, dude. I didn't know. I didn't know. We're trying to find this area on Google Maps that shows like this whole entire field that has like single track going through it. So that's what we're going for right now. Let's go! Dude, yo. Okay. Yo, that's the fastest I've ever taken any motorcycle. Yo, that's an experience, man. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, don't get any washout. Yeah, let me tell y'all, dude, I think I've fallen in love with the sport of dirt biking. On every level. It might even be a sexual level, bro. I don't know. It might hit different. Woo! That's a... Huh? I mean, I don't know. We can do that. We can do that. Can I get some footage of you? Can I stay behind you and get some footage of you? Okay. Yeah, I'm ready. Come on. I think you're gonna like her, dude. I can honestly tell you can get really, really open on that road. Yeah.
Taking it easy. You know?
No, for sure. Huh? The same. This is the same route. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I was gonna say this is the same route. Like, let's go down and then through the single track. Oh yeah, Bray's back end is a lot more stiff on my X Pro, so we'll see how it does in the whoops. He was saying his jetting's backfiring a little bit because I guess we're trying to still fix both of our bikes and them jetted perfect, but we're lower in altitude than the mountains, so he is seeing a little bit of backfire, he says. I'm not gonna rip his bike too much, but I do want some Cowie footy, bro. Woo! Yeah, he got a little bit of backfire. I'm in third right now. man, I just love this open shit, dude. I can do this all night long. I need to lift my helmet a bit. It's so weird because I'm used to, how do y'all drive? Y'all drive with both hands, y'all left or y'all right? I usually whip with my left hand, so like taking my right hand off the throttle, it's usually more comfortable to like adjust my helmet or whatnot, or what have you. But whew. Oh man, sanding cheeks out this bitch. It is always a new experience riding someone else's bike, seeing how they like it, how it is compared to yours, because me as a new rider, all I know as far as dirt biking is my bikes, you know? So, it's cool. It's cool, it's cool, it's cool. I think we just got pretty ready, bro. I got so ready earlier, dude. It's fucking sweet. Woo! Oh, I didn't take this route earlier, did I? Whoa! Let's go. Start this up. His second is just as comparable as mine, but less torquey. Learning. It's definitely comparable though. Yes sir, baby, I'm a boss. She said yes sir, yes sir. My girl don't wear no bra, she let them titties titty. That's second. I mean, that's first. How you like her?
So much better.
Yeah, dude.
My leg's getting sore.
Okay, you want to go to the car? And
Get some water.
I need some Gatorade. Yeah. Okay. I'm ready when you are. You want me to go first? You want me to go first?
It's up to you, yeah, you go.
Okay. My bar is a little crooked. Just something else for me to buy in the future. I'll take it. I think it was this way. so much different. What's up, y'all? I know I told you we stopped to get a water break, but emergencies came up. I had a missed call, and I'm getting ready to go handle information, handle the business. So, sorry cutting the video short, but kegs ran good. I'm happy. I can't wait to take it back to the mountains. I had to work tonight anyway, so sorry for the video being so short, but I guess as a vlogger, I have to open up and let you guys know what's happening and vlog my day. But just giving you guys a little bit of insight, and once again, I'll tap with you guys on the next video. So, peace out.